How to download and install Google Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, you must open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Google Wallet. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now here on the bottom, hit on install. So the installation process has just begun. So what is this app about? Basically, Google Wallet is a wallet where you can add other cards. So it's a easy way to add other wallets inside one app. Now the app has been installed. Now you can easily open and use it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.